Guys, today I am going to discussing about the linked list, the part 2 video. So in my part 2 video I'll be going to discussing about the types of linked list and operations created or operations applied in linked list. So in my previous video I said about the also basic or basic things and singly linked list and basic of linked list and singly linked list. So if you not see this video, see this video first, and then I'll be going to the another part of the linked list, that is the uh, I want to at first I want to say that linked list is basically two types: singly, doubly, and circular linked list. So in my previous video I also discuss about the singly linked list. So in video I also discuss about the doubly linked list, circular linked list, and some operations. So at first, what is doubly linked list? Doubly linked list is a variation of the linked list. The linked list is the linear data structure which can be described as the collection of nodes. Nodes are connected through pointers. Which node contains two field, data and pointer. I also discussing about what is the data and pointer in my previous videos. To the next field, the first node of the linked list is the called the head, and in all of these head and the tail, what is head and tail, all of them are I discuss about my previous video. And the last node of the list is called the tail of the list. So I again said that what is the head? Head is this A position. A position is the head of this linked list, and C is the tail of this linked list. So guys, what happened? Doubly linked list look like this type. Doubly linked list basically look like this type. You can see that the A data, and it is the position where this data contains the location of the next data. So here is the point of or location of next data, and it is the point of location of next data. So here you can see that the in doubly linked list, when we are coming in the last node, when we are coming the last node, it cannot directly going null. So then so what happened? Then you can see that we are made we not the computer created a extra node, the same extra node here, which is the main characteristics of doubly linked list. So made the extra C node, and then you can see that that is going null. So that is all of the doubly linked list. And then circular linked list. What is the circular linked list? Circular linked list is the element points at the last element, and the last element points to the first element. Both singly linked list and doubly linked list can be made into circular linked list. I also written here the simplest definition of all of doubly, singly, or circular linked list, and I made the very simplified picture of circular linked list. Here you can see that it is the basic structure of linked list. So why it's called circular? Because of you can see that it is the arrow, and it is the arrow, and then it means that these data points or contains the location of next data, and B contains contains the location of next data, and C, which is the C element, contains the then repeat the first element. It means that C location of A contains C. C locates the A because it hasn't any null. It is the main characteristics of this that the circular linked list has a null pointer. So it also circulate each time. It is the circulate or going as round structure. For this it says that this is the circular linked list. It is the look like the circular. It hasn't any end point. It will be always going through the circular manner. So now I'll be going to discuss about the operations which is made in the linked list. So guys, see it carefully because the operations of linked list are very useful or applicable in the coding. So guys, here you can see that the what is the basic or I written here the basic operations of linked list. So linked list has the five operations mainly it has contains the mainly five operations, and it has the some more operations, but that's are the not much important. These five are the most important operation of linked list. So guys, here at first the insertion, deletion, display, search and delete. So it is the also all of the operations of made in the linked list as the insertion, deletion, display, search and then delete. So at first, what is insertion? Add an element at the beginning of the list. Deletion, what is deletion? Delete an element of the beginning of the list. Display the complete list. And search is the search an element using the given key. And delete an element using the given key. So here operations of display, you can see that the display operation linked list, it is the also the final answer of the of any of insertion, deletion or reverse linked list. So at first I'm going to show about the insertion operation. So what is the insertion operation? Insertion is the adding a new node in a linked list is a more than one step actively. We shall learn this with diagram here. First create a node using the same structure and find the location where it has to be inserted. So here you can I said it the diagrammatically, it is the more effective for you. So here you can see that the diagrams of insertion operation, I'll be going to explain this. So you can see that the A is the element of this linked list and it is the element, B is the element of this linked list, and then it's going null. And you can see that the C element want to enter in the middle point or in the last point or any position of this linked list. So what will be doing this then? So we are in the second picture, it is has just two step. You can see that in step 2 you want to point the A node, the in the which point I want to insert the C element in the middle of A and B. So what will we do? So the data element, you can know that it is the its position contains the location of the next data. So it also points the C, and C also points the B because the C element now the C element contains the location of B element. Because of that it's are going in the middle position. So it is the step 2, and here you can see that it is going null because it is inputted in middle position. You can input in the first or last position, but I show you the middle position because all of the operations are created here. Because if I located in the first position, it's also indicates the first location. So it is the more clear for you mostly because I said all of the operations here. Middle operations is also contains the all of operations. So the next is the deletion operation. next is the deletion operation. Guys, see here very carefully. Deletion is also more than one step process. Also, all of them are more than one step process. We shall learn the pictorial representation. It's also guys, it's the most important thing you want to know. It's all the pictorial representation. So then here it is written that first locate the target node and to be removed by using search algorithm. So guys, you can see that in the step 1, in the step 1 you can see that it is the also a linear singly linked list. So it is the linear singly linked list. And then what is the deletion operation? Deletion operation is the in step 2 I show you the deletion operation. In deletion operation you can see that the B is the intermediate or middle element of this array. So I want to delete the middle element. So what I am doing then? So I also skip the B node, and then the A data element or store the next location or store the next positions location points also contains the C's data, C's location. So I skip this. You can see the arrow position. I skip this B. So here it will be going to deleted. And in the next step it is in step 3 you can see that the linear singly linked list, because it is B will be the, in that time this B will be in step 3, B will be deleted, and A and C is the made linked list, singly linked list. So now I am going to see you the reverse operation. So what is the reverse operation? Reverse operation, this operation is through 1. We need to make the last node to be pointed head node and the reverse the whole linked list. So in step 3, from step 1 to step 3, I will be going to discuss about the reverse operation. So in reverse operation you can see that the step 1 you can see that it is the linear singly linked list, and then you can in step 2 you can see that the B position, it is the reverse operation. For this reverse operation you can see that the B's location point or B it is the position where B locates his or contains the next node's location. So it will be going reverse, and B also contains the A's A data's location. And in the step 3 you can see that the here it is the null pointer, here it is the also null pointer here. But in step 3 you can see that in the B position also points the A, and now in the A data or A's location containing points also points the null pointer. So it is the all of things about the reverse operation. In my next video I think showing the coding of linked list, some code of data structural code of linked list, and some simple linked list operation of code. So see my next video, and if this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe.